There are multiple ways to synchronize the data within a bill of material to the files in your workspace, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in your project management. Any row highlighted in orange indicates that the metadata fields have been updated in the vault, but are not yet reflected in the BOM. To update your BOM, click the Edit button. Right-click and select Resync to apply a specific change, or click the Resync button in the toolbar to apply all changes to the BOM. You will see a confirmation window with information about the file in the vault and the value that was changed. If you would like to update the metadata directly from the BOM, click the Edit button and make the desired changes. The cell will be highlighted purple to indicate that the field contains newer values in the BOM that are not yet reflected in the vault. Follow the same workflow to sync to the vault, and the same confirmation window will appear. To capture parent-child relationships or any changes to an assembly itself, click the Fetch Diff button to display those changes and select which ones you would like to apply to your BOM. If you need a quick reference on what each of the colors mean, hover over the information icon. Another color you might see is red, indicating multiple associations were found. This is typically because multiple files in the vault share the same part number, and the affected item has to be paired with the correct reference. Conversely, you may also see blue, indicating that no associations were found, and the item likely needs to be pushed to the vault. To illustrate this, an empty item has been added directly within the BOM. It is highlighted blue since it is not associated with anything in the vault. Click the Edit button, right-click on the item, and select Push Items to Vault. The item has to have a name populated to be pushed. Determine where you would like the item to be stored within the workspace, and optionally add a commit message. The BOM then has to be synced since metadata was written to the item within the vault. Once complete, your BOM and vault files are aligned, and time spent making these updates is reduced.